You've been using your spaghetti spoon wrong your entire life. That hole in the middle isn't for draining water, it's a measuring tool, and almost nobody has ever used it that way. Look at it again. That hole has been sitting in your kitchen drawer for years. You've used it 1,000 times. You've never once questioned it. Nobody does. Here's what almost nobody realizes. The size of that hole isn't random, it wasn't chosen by accident, and it wasn't chosen for looks. Somebody measured it, precisely, roughly 1 inch across. That number should stop you, because that diameter isn't arbitrary. It was built to match something specific, the exact width of a single standard adult serving of dry spaghetti. Gather uncooked noodles into a bundle that fits through that hole and you're holding almost exactly one portion. Not roughly. Almost exactly. Down to a detail most people would never think to check. The spoon in your drawer has been quietly answering a question you never thought to ask it. But here's where it gets strange. If that's true, why has almost nobody ever heard this? Why does something this deliberate stay invisible for an entire lifetime of use? Because the hole hides its real purpose behind a much louder one. Lift cooked pasta out of a pot with that same spoon, and water drains straight through the hole, so you're not dumping a spoonful of hot water onto your plate. That's obvious. That's immediate. That's the function everyone notices every single time they use it. And that obvious function is exactly what buries the other one. You see the water draining. You never see the measuring. Nobody ever points it out, so nobody ever looks past what's right in front of them. One function was built to be seen. The other was built to stay hidden. This wasn't an accident either. Kitchen designers didn't have to choose between draining and measuring. They didn't pick one function and settle. They built one hole to solve two separate problems at the same time. One about mess, one about portion size, and then let one quietly hide inside the other, on purpose. Most people who own this spoon will never find out. They'll use it for years, maybe decades, without ever realizing what's built into it. Passed down, replaced, repurchased, never once questioned. And that matters more than it sounds like it should. Pasta is one of the most overpoured, overserved foods in the average kitchen. Oversized portions add up week after week without anyone noticing. A single, unassuming hole in a cheap spoon was designed to quietly fix that, long before portion control was even a phrase people used. So the next time you reach for it, stop for a second. Really look at it. You're not holding a spoon. You're holding a measuring device that's been disguising itself as something else, sitting in your kitchen drawer this entire time, waiting for someone to actually look at it. Which makes you wonder. If a $2 spoon can hide a secret function you've never noticed, what else in your kitchen is quietly doing a second job, one you've never once stopped to ask about? Something you touch every day, something you've never really seen.